His invisible qualities are clearly seen. You believe in God? If so, can you point to proof of His existence? The truth is that we are surrounded by evidence of a Creator who is wise, powerful, and loving. What is this evidence, and how compelling is it? For the answer, consider the words of the Apostle Paul, recorded in his letter to Christians in Rome. Paul said, His, God's, invisible qualities are clearly seen from the world's creation onward, because they are perceived by the things made, even His eternal power and Godship, so that they are inexcusable. Romans 1:20. The Creator left His imprint on His handiwork, as Paul pointed out. Let us take a closer look at Paul's words.
God's wisdom is clearly seen in the way He constructed our home, the Earth. Ours is not the only planet to orbit the Sun, but the Earth is unique because it has all the right conditions to sustain human life. In some respects, the Earth is like a boat floating in the vast ocean of space. But there are key differences between a man-made boat full of people and our Earth. For example, how long would the occupants of a literal boat survive if they had to produce their own oxygen, food, and water, and if they could not throw any waste products overboard? The people in that boat would soon die. In contrast, the Earth supports billions of living creatures. It produces all the oxygen, food, and water we need, and we do not run out of those vital supplies. Its waste products are not ejected into space, yet the Earth remains beautiful and habitable. How is that possible? Jehovah designed the Earth with the ability to recycle resources. We will briefly look at two of these brilliantly designed cycles, the oxygen cycle and the water cycle. What is the oxygen cycle? It has been estimated that living creatures breathe in 100 billion tons of oxygen in a year. These same creatures breathe out a waste product called carbon dioxide. Yet these living creatures never consume all the oxygen, and the atmosphere never becomes choked with the waste gas carbon dioxide. Why not? Because Jehovah also created organisms, from large trees to tiny algae, that take in carbon dioxide and give off oxygen. What is the water cycle? The sun heats water in the oceans and on the Earth's surface and evaporates the water to form clouds. Each year, the sun evaporates nearly 120,000 cubic miles or 500,000 cubic kilometers of water. This water stays in the atmosphere for about 10 days before falling as rain or snow. The water eventually makes its way back to the oceans or other bodies of water, and the cycle is repeated. This efficient, sustainable cycle proves that Jehovah is both wise and powerful.